Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the HD waterproof makeup kit combo for women and girls. A 15-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, all in one amazing package. Let's dive in and see if this kit lives up to its waterproof HD promise. First up, the eyeshadow palette. It's packed with gorgeous shades from creamy mattes to sparkly shimmers, perfect for any occasion, whether it's a soft day look or a bold night vibe. I swatched a few, and the pigmentation is solid, a little fallout, but blends out beautifully with a brush. Next, the 12-piece makeup brush set. These are soft and sleek with no shedding. I use the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow, and they're so easy to work with. The Kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it stayed put all day with no smudging. That intensity is unreal. Then the 3-in-1 combo, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. It's super convenient and the black is bold enough to make my eyes pop. The false eyelashes add instant drama. They're easy to apply and reusable too. Now the red edition lipstick. This shade is a stunning classic red with a smooth finish that lasts hours, perfect for a statement lip. The foundation is lightweight with HD coverage. It evens out my skin tone without feeling heavy at all. The primer smooths my pores and keeps everything in place, a total must-have. The loose powder sets my base with a matte finish, no shine even after a long day. And the makeup fixer, a quick spritz and my look is waterproof and sweatproof. I tested it and it held up like a champ. This kit is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one option. It's not luxury, but for the price it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full waterproof look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think.